Manufacturing plastic injection molded components requires the creation of complex core and cavity geometry. 3D Mold Creator brings you the ability to do this with an app focused on this design workflow from anywhere with your web browser. The power of the 3D Experience platform also means you can quickly search for your product design data from across your entire organization and get to work immediately. With your design data in place, you can start developing your core and cavity geometry with the step-by-step tools on the action bar. Pulling direction, for instance, aids all of the other design tools in understanding how your mold will separate. These process-specific tools can also be accessed from the convenient shortcut menu, making it quick and easy to move to the next step in the design process. Creating the parting line for the mold is the next logical step, and 3D Mold Creator quickly understands where the model's positive and negative surfaces are. Along the way, you will see guided workflows to help you better understand the next step in the core and cavity creation process, guiding you to the next tool to use, in this case, the need for shutoff surfaces. You can make modifications as necessary to these surfaces, either from the dialog box or the on-screen selection menus. From the parting line, you can now generate the parting surface, the interface where the mold will separate around the designed part. Again, 3D Mold Creator's guided workflows make it clear that in order to separate the mold into core and cavity features, that a sketch defining the outer perimeter of the mold is required. Once the sketch is completed, a tooling split can be performed, quickly creating all of the complex geometry needed for the tooling. This entire process is both fast and easy with 3D Mold Creator's task-specific design tools. At any point, however, in the design process, you may want to deviate from the geometry created by these tools. 3D Mold Creator gives you the control to make adjustments at any time. Whether it's changing the parting line or the geometry of parting surfaces, you can always define these the way you want. With your core and cavity geometry created, you can leverage other apps on the 3D Experience platform for other design tasks. For example, 3D Creator's in-context assembly modeling simplifies the creation of the guide and leader pin features in the context of the mold. The flexibility to use process-focused apps means you can always use the right tool for the job at the right time, without the burden and complexity of tools that are not relevant for the design process at hand. 3D Mold Creator offers concise, simplified workflows for creating mold geometry while leveraging the power of the 3D Experience platform, changing the way you can tackle these design challenges.